content accessibility training video, we'll discover how to make your interactive content inclusive for everyone. Interactive maps can be visually complex and unusable for people with visual impairments. To ensure accessibility, provide text-based alternatives for screen readers, which can also help with clarity and reinforce information. Avoid using colors for information that would otherwise be unrecognizable to colorblind people. UI controls should be intuitive and optimized for the device interacting with the map. Consider providing data tables for complex information. Charts and graphs can also present accessibility challenges. Try to provide data using a table for screen readers to access. Be sure to use charts and graphs that use text, accessible to screen readers and keyboard navigation. Use color sparingly, with colorblind people in mind, and avoid using color as the only form of information. Be sure to use font sizes that are large enough for people with visual impairments, and use sufficient color contrast for differences to be recognized. By using proper HTML table markup and providing clear labels and instructions, you can create data tables that are accessible and usable by everyone, including users with disabilities. Use proper table markup and associate the columns and row headers with the data cells. This is the foundation of accessible tables. The best way to ensure your tables are accessible is to test them with screen readers like NVDA, JAWS, or VoiceOver, and keyboard-only navigation. WCAG provides specific criteria for creating accessible interactive interfaces. The criteria on this page addresses non-text content, information and relationships, and contrast and reflow. Criteria on this page address operable interfaces, making sure users can operate the interface. This is non-inclusive of all criteria related to interfaces and focuses on maps and charts. WCAG has many other criteria related to overall user interfaces, which is more technical in nature and relate to the site's overall build rather than the content within. Thank you for joining us on this journey through content accessibility. We hope you've learned valuable insights and tools to create inclusive online experiences. Remember, accessibility is not just about compliance, it's about creating a digital world where everyone can thrive.